India's Operation Rahat, which rescued thousands of stranded citizens from Yemen, has been a major hit with the global community.
देशवासियों मैं आपको ये बात बताना चाहता हूं, संकट की घड़ी में हम पासपोर्ट के रंग नहीं देखते हैं।
एडन के जिक्र से किसी भी नेवल ऑफिसर को यूएसएस कोल याद आएगा, वहां पर हुआ अल-कायदा का हमला याद आएगा।
ऑपरेशन राहत was a very challenging operation.
Welcome to Rainbow SSB Shoot Shot Academy. Indian Defence Force not only just proved that they are here for fighting for the nation, but they also made a clear mark that they can rescue Indians and other foreign nationals present in different countries. Yes, one such operation where Indian Air Force and Indian Navy combined to rescue Indian citizens and foreign nationals, which happened in 2015, which was a nightmare to one of the countries where it is known as Operation Rahat 2015.
Moving, of course, out of the country to Yemen, India's Operation Rahat, which rescued thousands of stranded citizens from Yemen, has been a major hit with the global community. Now, the world is looking at India to rescue people of different countries who are stuck in this war-torn country. New Delhi, meanwhile, is ready to oblige as many as 26 countries who are eyeing Indian help.
Almost 4,000 Indians brought back safely to India from strife-torn Yemen. The result of a mammoth rescue operation carried out by the Indian Navy, Air Force, Air India and shipping ministries. And the effort has now received a big global thumbs up. 26 countries have asked India to help evacuate their citizens as well. The United States, France, Germany, Egypt, Singapore, Iraq and Lebanon are just a few on that ever-growing list. According to the Ministry of External Affairs, 220 foreign nationals have already been evacuated on Indian ships and aircraft. For the last 10 days, 2 C-17 Globemasters, 2 Indian passenger aircraft, ferries, warships like INS Mumbai, INS Tarkash, INS Sumitra have been evacuating people in batches.
Operation Rahat was an operation of the Indian Armed Forces to evacuate Indian citizens and foreign nationals from Yemen during the 2015 military intervention by Saudi Arabia and its allies in the country during the Yemeni crisis. The evacuation by sea began on 1st of April 2015 from the port of Aden. The air evacuation by Indian Air Force and Air India commenced on 3rd April 2015 from Sana'a. More than 4,500 Indians in Yemen were evacuated along with 950 plus foreign nationals from 41 countries. The air evacuation ended on 9th April 2015, while the evacuation by the sea ended on 11th April 2015. This happened due to the political imbalance and the rebels which went against the government, which created a huge chaos for the residents of this country, Yemen. It was an open threat to all the forces who tried to rescue their citizens from Yemen. One of the unsung hero of this operation is Commander Milind Mohan Mokshi, who was a commanding officer of INS Sumitra, who rescued more than 1,600 citizens and brought them to safety with his effective plan and execution, who also received Gallantry Award in 2015 as he was strongly recommended for the award of Shaurya Chakra.
एडन के जिक्र से किसी भी नेवल ऑफिसर को यूएसएस कोल याद आएगा, वहां पर हुआ अल-कायदा का हमला याद आएगा। जाहिर है मुझे भी वही याद आया, क्योंकि मुझे भी एडन ही जाना था और वहां से फंसे हुए लोगों को निकालना था। जिबूटी पहुंचते पहुंचते लोगों में काफी जोश आ गया था, क्योंकि अब वो खुश थे, अब वो सुरक्षित भी थे और वो येमेन से बाहर भी थे। लेकिन मुझे लगता है जब उन्होंने देखा कि मंत्री जी खुद वहां पर उनका स्वागत करने आए हैं और इन सब से उनका मनोबल काफी बढ़ गया।
As the military intervention in Yemen began on 27th March 2015, when the Royal Saudi Air Force led to a coalition of Arab states in attacking the Houthi rebels. This was preceded by weeks of turmoil during which the Houthi guerrillas toppled the government of the President Abd Rabb Mansour Hadi and took over the large parts of the country. Anticipating further hostilities, Indian Ministry of External Affairs had issued advisories on 21st January 2015 to Indian Embassy in Yemen to leave the country. A second travel advisory urging Indians to avoid travel to Yemen and to leave the country was issued on 20th February 2015. Finally, on 25th March, 2 days before the attack by the Arab coalition, the Ministry of External Affairs issued an urgent advisory urging all the Indian citizens to evacuate as soon as possible. But approx 5,000 Indians were trapped in the country.
Operation Rahat was a very challenging operation. The land route was blocked. The airspace of Yemen was declared as no-flying zone, and there were pirates in the sea.
At this point, Yemen was not accessible by air due to a non-fly zone. India chose Djibouti as a center for initial evacuation by sea. Indians in Yemen were advised to reach Sana'a and Aden. The Indian Navy redeployed the patrol vessel INS Sumitra from anti-piracy operation off the coast of Lakshadweep to Yemeni port of Aden. In addition to this, it dispatched the destroyer INS Mumbai and INS Taraksh from Mumbai to provide protection and support to Indian ships and aircrafts in the conflict zone. Both the ships sailed 2,500 kilometers in 4 days to reach Yemen. The Indian Air Force deployed two C-17 Globemaster cargo aircrafts with capacity of 600 passengers each. With the two ferries belonging to the Lakshadweep, MV Karavatti and MV Corals with capacity of 1,500 passengers were dispatched to Aden. Indian Defence Force successfully deployed ships and aircrafts after facing numerous challenges and threats by the Arab coalition. Commander Milind Mohan Mokshi diverted the ship from Operation Rahat evacuation of India and foreign nationals from Wonton, Yemen from 31st March to 16th April 2015. On 31st March 2015, about 1700 hours, ship was tasked to enter the port of Aden and evacuate stranded Indians. Fierce fighting was reported between the Houthi rebels and the security forces of Yemen government, with airstrikes by Saudi led to coalition in and around the port city. Commander Milind prepared an elaborate plan for evacuation operation. FPM elements and Prahar team were set up all around the ship to meet any incoming threat. The harbour was completely deserted with no sign of any movement and also engulfed in darkness without any light in the shore. Braving the heavy firing and shelling, the officer ensured on the safety of all the citizens and sailed the ship out of the harbour in a navigationally unsafe channel. He thus ensured a successful completion of the first evacuation operation by the Indian Navy from the Wonton, Yemen under testing and warlike situation. He and his relatively young team carried out evacuation operation from 3 different ports of Yemen, which are Aden, Ashir Oil Terminal and Al Hodida. In the 5 trips made, a total of 1,621 personals, which included 961 Indians, 660 other nationals including 317 women and 137 children, were evacuated to safety from the Wonton country. The exemplary level of resolute courage and outstanding leadership of Commander Milind Mohan ensured the success of 5 missions to Wonton, Yemen, including one at the night. The valor displayed by the Commander Milind is considered in keeping with the highest traditions of the Navy, and accordingly, he is strongly recommended for the award of Shaurya Chakra.
हाँ, जो पोर्ट मैनेजर थे उन्होंने हमें बोला कि हमें लोगों को 45 मिनट में वहाँ से निकालना होगा, जो कि बिल्कुल मुमकिन नहीं था, क्योंकि चाहे आप जितनी मर्जी कोशिश कर लें, एक व्यक्ति और उसके बैगेज की स्क्रीनिंग करने में कम से कम 1 मिनट तो लगता ही है। और मैंने सोचा कि उस हिसाब से हमें कम से कम सब लोगों को ध्यान में रखते हुए 6 घंटे तो लग ही जाने चाहिए। तो फिर मैंने अपनी टीम से कहा कि हमें ये काम बहुत तेजी से करना पड़ेगा।
This operation was considered 100% successful, which rescued many Indian citizens and also made a mark on other countries that Indian Defence Force never backs out in rescuing their citizens from any country.
देशवासियों, मैं आपको ये बात बताना चाहता हूं, संकट की घड़ी में हम पासपोर्ट के रंग नहीं देखते हैं।
US, European countries and other Asian countries appreciated the rescue operation carried out by Indian Defence Force, as Not only rescuing Indian citizens, the Indian Defence Force rescued 41 other foreign national citizens.
There in Yemen it's very dangerous. Guns and bombs. We scared here. And my brother can't sleep.
I'm John Harton from Northern Ireland. I absolutely can't say enough about the Indian government for helping us to get out of Yemen.
We are aware that India, through its Operation Rahat, has really done a lot and has been able to really not only save its own nationals, but nationals, citizens from other countries as well. For that, we are very appreciative.
In Sanaa also they put us on the first flight, though we didn't have our boarding passes. So I'm very grateful to the Indian Air Force, to the Indian government for saving us, for taking us out.
And I am proud to be an Indian because our Indian Navy, they are very strong, very tight. So they are taking us safely to India.
We discussed about only one such unsung hero who carried out in this operation, but there are many. Stay tuned with our channel. We will be back with many more such unsung heroes who carried out impossible operations, faced a number of challenges and succeeded in every battle.
We at Rudrapur have state-of-the-art campus and a full-fledged GTO ground. So every month we have 3 batches of 12-day SSB course. Apart from that, we have a 5-day GTO course and we also organize a PPDT overview for a very nominal charge. If you're interested to know more about any of these courses, make sure that you give us a call or drop us an email on the number and email ID which is appearing on your screen. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook to get the latest updates of the Academy. Once again, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our future videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.